All right, let's get you details about Mehbooba Mufti and her controversial statement. PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti has compared India with Bangladesh, triggering a massive backlash from the BJP. Mufti said that there is no difference in India between both the countries. She went on to say that, and I quote her, India is targeting minorities here, Bangladesh is targeting Hindu minorities there. She claimed that the Indian government is demolishing mosques just like temples are getting attacked in Bangladesh. BJP has gone all guns blazing against Mehbooba Mufti, calling her anti-national. BJP has demanded firm action against the PDP chief, accusing her of trying to provoke Muslims.
कांग्रेस का ये मानना है तमाम मेजॉरिटी के लोगों को माइनॉरिटीज को प्रोटेक्शन देने का काम करना चाहिए और जो रेस्पेक्टिव गवर्नमेंट्स है उनका तो ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल ड्यूटी है कि वो अपने मुल्क के अंदर जो माइनॉरिटीज है उनको तहफ़्फ़ुज़ दें उनको कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली वो ड्यूटी है तो अगर कोई उसमें फेल होता है वो बांग्लादेश हो वो कोई तीसरा देश हो तो वो फिर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल ड्यूटी अपनी पूरी नहीं करता है। जब
देश में ऑलरेडी बहुत हद तक तनाव की स्थिति पैदा हो गई है, आपने कहा कि कुछ लोगों को ये भी महसूस हो रहा है कि 1947 के पहले आ गए हैं या पहले जाने की कगार पे हैं, ऐसा दिख रहा है कई लोगों को। ये सही नहीं है। हम तमाम लोगों की कोशिश है कि हम लोग मिलजुल के सुख शांति के साथ रहें, लेकिन हाँ कुछ लोग और उसमें कुछ हमारे नेतागण भी हैं जो पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ना ही वो सराहनीय है और ना ही वो प्रशंसनीय है, मैं तो उसकी निंदा करता हूँ।
जिस तरीके के कुछ घटनाएं पिछले कुछ वर्षों में हुई हैं और पिछले कुछ दिनों से हो रही हैं, तो ये तो जो है इनकार नहीं किया जा सकता कि हम कोई बहुत अच्छी राह पर चल रहे हैं। बहुत बड़ी चिंता का विषय ये है, खाली एक संभल और अजमेर ही नहीं, जिन्हें कितने इश्यूज रोज इस देश में होते हैं।
Statement made by Mehbooba Mufti, which has got the, in fact, the BJP also responding to it. She'd rather compared Bangladesh and India, talking about the fact that minorities are being subjected to torture and humiliation in Bangladesh, which is Hindu minorities, and the situation rather is no different in India, where Muslim minorities are going through pretty much the same thing. She's drawn this analogy with Bangladesh, drawing a comparison, Bangladesh which is seeing a large-scale persecution of Hindus and where temples are being targeted. Mehbooba Mufti says the same thing is happening in India, but that against the Muslim minorities. The PDP chief there comparing India with Bangladesh makes a shocking remark over minorities in India, saying that they're being subject to the same kind of torture and humiliation that the minorities, Hindu minorities, are being subject to in Bangladesh, and that there is no difference between both the countries. Sunil Ji Bhatt getting in more details. In what context did she make this statement? Was the question asked of her? Because this was rather, it's not just humiliating, given that she's drawn comparisons between Bangladesh and India, saying that the same treatment that minorities are getting in Bangladesh get the same treatment in India. The difference is that there they're Hindus, here they are Muslims.
Well, Sneha, PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti was addressing her party workers in Jammu yesterday, and she was talking about the recent violence in Sambal in Uttar Pradesh. And while talking about that, she drew comparison with the situation in Bangladesh and India, and she has sparked a massive political row here in Jammu and Kashmir. And Mehbooba Mufti went on to say that there is no difference between Bangladesh and India when it came to the treatment of minorities. Our statement has drawn sharp reactions from the BJP, with the senior BJP leader Ravinder Raina, lashing out at the PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti. He has said that that Mehbooba Mufti is deliberately trying to issue such statements to regain some of her lost ground in Jammu and Kashmir. Other BJP leaders have also reacted sharply. They have condemned what Mehbooba Mufti has said. And Sneha, many organizations in Jammu region are going to protest today against what Mehbooba Mufti said yesterday. So clearly a massive political showdown is expected in Jammu and Kashmir when it comes to this statement that has come from former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Mehbooba Mufti. Sneha,
All right, Sunil ji, but I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. That's what she said, comparing India and Bangladesh, making a controversial statement.